Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. You know that due to COVID-19, our exam will conducted via online basis in the form of MCQ. So I thought make a MCQ series which is helpful to you. So this video is all about MCQ related to molecular orbital theory. So let's start the video. Here first question is the filling of orbital molecular orbitals takes place according to option A Abbott's principle, option B Pauli's exclusion principle, option C Hund's rule, and option D all above. We know the molecular orbital theory put forward by Hund's and Mulliken, but the word orbital was coined by Mulliken in 1932. According to him, the filling of a molecular orbital takes place according to Abbott's principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rule. So, option D is correct, all above. Second, when starred atoms are joined through non-starred atom, such hydrocarbon are known as option A non-alternate hydrocarbon, option B even alternate hydrocarbon, option C odd alternate hydrocarbon, and option D alternate hydrocarbon. So calculation of this statement is related to the calculation of charge density using molecular orbital coefficient, in which when two starred atoms are joined together through non-starred atom, such hydrocarbon are called as alternate hydrocarbon. So option D is correct, which is alternate hydrocarbon. 3. 10 aniline is more stable than 14 aniline because as size dash dash and stability dash dash means here the structure of 10 aniline and 14 aniline is drawn, which shows that 14 aniline having size greater than 10 aniline. So as size increases, stability decreases. So option B is correct, increases and decreases. 4. Arrange the following according to decreasing order of stability. So 3 C3H3 cation, C3H3 radical, and C3H3 anion. This question is related to delocalization energy. So C3H3 cation having delocalization energy 2 beta, radical having delocalization energy beta, and anion having delocalization energy 0. So cation having greater than radical than anion. Here this option is C. First is greater than second is greater than third. So option C is correct. 5. In system like C3H3, C7H7, C11H11, C15H15, etc., which number of antibonding molecular orbital minus number of bonding molecular orbital is equal to dash dash. Options are given A 2, B 1, C 3, and D 4. This statement is related to Frost and Musselin's graphical method, in which rule first is given that in the system like C3H3, C7H7, C11H11, C15H15, etc., in which number of antibonding molecular orbital minus number of bonding molecular orbital is equal to 1. So option B is correct, which is 1. 6. The polycyclic ring system provided that each ring must have correct number of pi electron, which is known as option A, Huckel's rule, B, Deva's reactivity, C, Volpin rule, and D, PMO theory. We know this is straightforward statement of Volpin rule. So option C is correct, Volpin rule. 7. Cyclooctatetraene is dash dash stable than open chain partner. First option A, less, B, more, C, equal, and D, none of this. We know that cyclooctatetraene is anti-aromatic due to cyclooctatetraene is less stable than open chain partner. But delocalization energy of open chain partner of octatetraene is beta and cyclooctatetraene is minus beta. So option A is correct, less stable. 8. Delocalization energy of cyclooctatetraene dication and cyclooctatetraene dianion are dash dash stable. Option A, more, option B, less, option C, equally, and option D, unstable. So option C is correct, equally stable, having delocalization energy is 3.656 beta. So option C is correct, which is equally. 9. What is charge density in following molecule? Molecule is given here and options are given: A 1 by 5, B 1 by root 5, C 1 by 4, and D 1 by root 4. This question is from calculation of charge density using orbital coefficient, molecular orbital coefficient. So explanation is here. This calculation method is known as Clausen and Russbrucker's method. So here you can see there are 5 A's. So summation charge density is equal to summation of A square is equal to 1. So 5A is here, 5A square is equal to 1, A is equal to 1 upon root 5. So option B is correct, 1 upon root 5. 10. Which of following method is used to know the bonding, antibonding, non-bonding molecular orbital? Option A, Clausen's and Russbrucker's method. Option B, Huckel's rule. Option C, Hund's rule. And option D, Frost and Musselin's method. You know, Clausen's and Russbrucker's method is used to calculation of charge density. Huckel rule is used to determine aromaticity. Hund's rule is used to filling of molecular orbital. So option D, which is Frost and Musselin's method, is used to know the bonding, antibonding, and non-bonding molecular orbitals. So option D is correct, Frost and Musselin's method. 11. Point touching to lower portion below the diameter to the circumference of circle will be indicate the number of, 4 options are given: 1 bonding molecular orbital, B antibonding molecular orbital, C non-bonding molecular orbital, and D both bonding and non-bonding molecular orbital. This statement is related to Frost and Musselin's graphical method in which the point touching to lower portion below the diameter to circumference of circle will be indicate number of bonding molecule. So option A is correct, bonding molecular orbitals. 12. Delocalization energy of benzene is dash dash. Option A 36 beta, option B 5.3 beta, option C 0, and option D 2 beta. Answer is 2 beta. If you don't see my video on delocalization energy of benzene, then I will put link below in description box, so you can see that video how to calculate delocalization energy of benzene. 13. What is charge density in following molecule? Molecule is given, options are given. Option A 1 by root 20, option B 1 by 17, option D 1 by 14, and option D 1 by root 19. So explanation is here. Calculation of charge density by Clausen and Russbrucker's method, in which rules are given. Firstly, alternate hydrocarbon, make a carbon, mark the carbon atom in compound. Second, assign the letter to the mark. I will assign here M, then N, because O is at branch, so change i I will change the letter M to N. Then here convert the letter into A. Then M, N, and O are converted into A. So summation of coefficient around O must be 0. So here that O is equal to A, N is equal to 2A, and M is equal to 3A. Then charge density given by formula, summation of A square is equal to 1. Here summation of A square is equal to 1. Then 9A square plus 4A square plus 4A square plus A square plus A square plus A square is equal to 1. 20A square is equal to 1. A square is equal to 1 by 20. So A is equal to 1 upon root 20. Answer A is correct. If you have any doubt about this video, then you mention it in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.